Oh, so we got this side all done, all in there, nice and solid. We're gonna take lunch, come back, finish this side. We also got the blow-off valve in there, which you can't see, but it's a bolt-in Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Just bolts into the stock location, which is pretty slick. Some discrepancy in the directions on the relocation of this. They come with like a little brackety thing. We think we need to cut this little arm off here in order to get this where it needs to go, kind of closer this way and away from the tube. But yeah, we'll come back, we'll finish up the intercooler install. Hopefully ETS will email us back about the brackety thing, get that all back together, and then do the intake, and then ready to do the access port thing, and then should be good for the dyno. So yeah, but now we got to do lunch. Got lunch with the homies. Fabio came down just now, and Gabe's been here since yesterday. He's these guys are next door over by Vince now. So yeah, go grab some lunch, come right back. So if you're doing ETS front mount and intake on a 22 WRX, there is the directions, or at least the video on their website, which is get you like 90% of the way there. There are some, damn it, camera's messing up. There are some little details. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to redo this. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Camera's been recalibrated. Anyways, so the ETS front mount intercooler and intake on a 22 WRX, right? So the website, ETS's website for the front mount, you can find instructions down in the Q&A. That instruction manual is pretty good to follow. They also have a YouTube link on that same page for the front mount. It gets you about 90% of the way there. There are some small details that are missing in the directions that need to be done, but also you need to be paying attention very carefully to the clamp placement in order to get things in place. They do mention that in the printout directions, but some other stuff, they don't really give you detailed instructions on what to do. If you look at the pictures, you'll see some of the pictures show exactly what you need to do, but in other instances, it doesn't give you the idea